hope everybody is doing well. I hope you are all out there making great and healthy choices, growing and prospering. Today's video is all about words and the power of language. And I know when we were kids, they would say to us, sticks and stones will break your bones, but words don't hurt. And I'm here to tell you that isn't true. If you haven't figured it out already, it's not true. Words definitely hurt. Words have power. With words, we can start a war. And with same words, we can end a war. With words, we can build people up. We can break people down. With words, we make deals. With words, we break friendships. With words, we marry people off. With words, we can break relationships. It's really such a powerful thing. And I feel like we forget when we do something so often how powerful and beautiful it is, or it can be. And I want to give you some examples today of a few things that I've changed in my vocabulary, that I've changed in the way I speak to myself and in the way that I speak to other people. Here's an example. And I want you to feel. As I'm saying it, I want you to feel. So let's say some guy, Joe Schmo, comes and he goes, hey, Jen, how do I look in these shoes and in this outfit? I got a new jacket. I got this look going. What do you think? I want you to feel what I'm saying, as if I'm saying it to you. Those shoes are so ugly, I wouldn't want you to walk in my house with those shoes. I would never walk up a block with those ugly shoes you got on. And you know what? Your dress code, it ain't a code. You need to get up out of here. Your style is whack. Now, I want you to take a moment to just feel that. Could you imagine somebody saying that to you? Now let's flip the coin. Same Joe Schmo, same scenario. And he goes, Jen, how do you think I look in this? Ooh, those shoes are so nice. Oh, man. Those shoes are tight. They're tighter than 10 toes in a shoe, boy. And your jacket? Oh, man, your jacket is looking good. You're going to go out there. You're going to kill it. Wherever you're going, people are going to notice you. Now, take a moment to just feel that. There is a negative feeling that comes with the first version of what I said. And it's not just because I said he didn't look good, but it's because of the way I said it. And then the second part, when I said he looked fly and he looked great, it had a different energy to it. And that's the power of words. We have power to make people feel terrible or to make people feel great. And I just want to bring that to your attention, because even the self-talk, when you're in the mirror and you're looking at yourself and you see something that you may not like to see, don't you dare tell yourself that you're ugly, that you're not good enough, that you're not skinny enough, that you're not thick enough, that you're not whatever, that you're, if you fail a test, that you're not smart enough, that you can't. Don't. Begin to tell yourself that you're brilliant, but you just need more practice. Begin to tell yourself that you're beautiful and made how you were meant to be made. Begin to use positive language with yourself when you're going out and you're doing things. Instead of saying, I have to do this, I get to do this. Instead of saying, I want to do, say, I will do. Because there's power in language, and it helps reconstruct our subconscious mind and our conscious mind, and it helps us build our confidence. It's all about language. If you use certain words when you're speaking to people, it shuts them down. If I come to you with an idea and you say to me, I agree with you, but automatically shut people down and get them to be defensive. And so my whole point of sharing all these little tricks and things that I've learned along my way of reading and learning and, discovering the power of language is that you have the power of language. To your ability, you can change the world with it. You can impact millions of people with it, and you can also really hurt people with it, and really hurt people with it. And I just want to encourage you to begin to speak positively about yourself, about your situation, and begin to speak life into the world, and speak life into the people you love, and speak life into yourself, and speak life into your situation. Begin to move forward and get out of the woe's me, why me, but get into the victorious place of speech, because you have the power to change it all around. And sometimes a few words can open a floodgate of blessings. And so I am encouraging you to learn how to be better with yourself and better with people with language. Read more, learn more, be more. Discover different things, learn different words, learn how to speak persuasively, learn how to get out there. And I'm only sharing this with you guys because I feel like it's opened doors for me, and it's blessed me to be a blessing. I've been able to inspire people and to help people with the power of language. And I'm just praying and hoping that it may open doors for you, and that you may inspire people, and you may make a difference in the people around you, and just impact the world in a positive way. So with that being said, remember to continue to speak positively to yourself and speak life into everything around you. Continue to make healthy and blessed choices, and remember that your life is a blessing, but it's up to you to turn the situation around. So with that being said, peace and love, my friends.